Oat milk. Nutrition, benefits, and how to make it. Presented by Healing Health. In recent years, plant-based milk alternatives have become incredibly popular. Particularly, oat milk is a good choice for people with allergies or intolerances. It's naturally free of lactose, nuts, soy, and gluten if made from certified gluten-free oats. Not to mention, it's delicious and may benefit bone and heart health. Stick to the end. At the end of this video you will get to know how to make oat milk. And there is free PDF for you on how to make oat milk and various recipes. What is oat milk? Oat milk is a popular dairy-free, vegan-friendly milk substitute. Naturally, oat milk isn't as nutritious as whole oats. As a result, it's often enriched with nutrients, including calcium, potassium, iron, and vitamins A and D. Oat milk is unique in that it's free of many of the allergens found in other types of milk. Plus, it contains beta-glucans, a soluble fiber that may offer heart health benefits. Oat milk is one of the most popular plant-based milks. It's light and tasty, but it's hard to find store-bought oat milk that is not full of sugar and chemicals. By making it at home, you'll make sure that your drink contains only natural and healthy ingredients, and it'll also be much more affordable to make this homemade oat milk. You only need 5 simple and easy-to-get ingredients, and it's ready in just 15 minutes, which is awesome. It's perfect to make plenty of other recipes, and you can enjoy it plain or sweetened. Whether you drink it hot or cold, this healthy, soft and delicious oat milk needs to be a must in your meals. Oat milk is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals, as well as fiber. Compared to other types of milk, oat milk generally has more calories, carbs, and fiber than almond, soy, or cow's milk, while providing less protein than soy and dairy varieties. It's also worth noting that, although oat and almond milk are both enriched with nutrients, oat milk tends to contain more added B vitamins, while almond milk tends to have more vitamin E. Health benefits. Studies on oats and oat milk show that they may offer several health benefits. 1. Vegan, as well as lactose, soy, and nut-free. Oat milk is a sensible option for those with dietary restrictions. Since it's made from just oats and water, it's vegan and free of nuts, soy, and lactose. Though oats are also naturally gluten-free, they can be processed in the same factories as gluten-containing grains, which may contaminate the oats. Still, some commercial oat milk brands are made with certified gluten-free oats. Always check the label to make sure your chosen product is gluten-free. Alternatively, you can make homemade oat milk with certified gluten-free oats. 2. May lower blood cholesterol. Oat milk is high in beta-glucans, a soluble fiber with heart health benefits. Beta-glucans form a gel-like substance inside your gut, which can bind to cholesterol and reduce its absorption. This may help lower blood cholesterol levels, especially bad LDL cholesterol, which has been linked to heart disease. Interestingly, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of oat milk may provide up to 1.3 grams of beta-glucans. 3. Great source of B vitamins. Oat milk is often fortified with B vitamins, such as riboflavin, B2, and vitamin B12. B vitamins are essential for optimal health and linked to numerous benefits. For instance, they may help elevate your mood, combat oxidative stress, and promote healthy hair, nails, and skin, especially if you're already deficient in these vitamins. 4. Great for bone health. Oat milk is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D, which can benefit your bones. Calcium is essential for strong and healthy bones because it's the main mineral used to form them. A lack of calcium in your diet may cause your bones to become hollow and more likely to fracture or break. Adequate vitamin D is just as important, as it aids the absorption of calcium from your digestive tract. A lack of vitamin D can stop your body from getting sufficient calcium, which may cause your bones to weaken, increasing your risk of fractures. Commercial oat milk is also a good source of vitamin B12, which has been linked to healthy bones and a lower risk of osteoporosis, hollow and porous bones. Potential downsides of oat milk. While oat milk has several possible health benefits, it comes with some downsides. For one, certain varieties of commercial oat milk may be high in sugar, especially if they're sweetened or flavored. That's why it's best to purchase unsweetened options. Plus, most commercial oat milk is not certified gluten-free, though there are exceptions. Gluten-contaminated products may cause digestive problems for people with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity. If you have problems digesting gluten, it's best to purchase oat milk labeled as certified gluten-free. You can also make it yourself using 100% gluten-free oats. Oat milk is generally safe for babies and children, but not a suitable replacement for breast or cow's milk, as it lacks nutrients essential for optimal growth. How to make your own. Soak the oats in water for at least 30 minutes. Drain the oats and rinse them. Add the oats, 4 cups of clean water and all the remaining ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Strain the milk using a cheesecloth, a strainer, a napkin or a nut milk bag. What can I do with oat milk pulp? So many things. You can bake spectacular vegan gluten-free donuts, oatmeal cookies or even make chocolate truffles. You can also add it to your smoothies to incorporate more fiber into your diet. Can oat milk be heated up? Yes, you can enjoy your delicious homemade oat milk cold or hot. You choose. How can I drink oat milk? Oat milk goes well with everything. Drink it plain, sweetened, with cocoa or even add it to your coffee or tea to make a healthy and delicious hot beverage for the cold winter days. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. That helps us a lot.